This video is visual representation and artistic derivations of the scientific facts and research findings published in famous peer-reviewed journals. Space destroying astronauts' red blood cells. A 2022 study reveals that astronauts' red blood cells are being destroyed by the human body during a 6-month space mission. The human body destroys about 54% more red blood cells than it normally would during this period. The findings were based on red and blood tests of 14 astronauts on the International Space Station, ISS. The loss of red blood cells during space flight is not a short-term phenomenon, but a more destructive and lasting mechanism. The loss of red blood cells appears to continue unabated throughout the astronaut's mission, even after 120 days. The loss of red blood cells leads to a higher than normal circulation of iron serum in their blood, leading to anemia. 5 out of 13 astronauts had reached clinically diagnosable levels of anemia upon returning to Earth. Even a year after their space flight, the astronauts' bodies were still destroying 30% more red blood cells than before their trip to space. The study did not measure red blood cell production, but if it is, astronaut diets may need to be adjusted accordingly. An increase in red blood cell production can put added pressure on bone marrow function, requiring higher energy consumption. If not properly protected, astronauts could risk damage to their heart, lungs, bones, brain, and muscle systems when they return to Earth.